Oh, they just don't stay on very long. Sophia, show them. Show them your bunny ears. Can you put them on? Put them on. There you go. Look at me. Do you like them? They're good at clearing off the table, huh? Huh. Say, look at me, sitting like a big girl, playing at my table. Thank you. Thank you. I'll wear them. I'll wear them. What do you think about that? Yeah, I know. We got boogers that we couldn't get, didn't we? Shh, don't tell anybody. You want the camera? You want the bunny ears? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go. Good girl.